Ko te whakatupu ake i ngā reanga whai ake e whānau mai ana i Poihākena mō Isaac Bradley, ko ianei te reanga tuarua o tōna whānau, ki te pakeke mai ki konei, i nā kua tahuri ke nā whakaaro ki te titiro, ko te pāpaka nui a Māui ke te wākainga. A hakua tērā e kore te wairua whakatangitangi o Isaac Bradley ki ona uri o Ngāpuhi e whati.
Tā piritia te whira, te piana, te pūtohe, me te gita, ka puta he tira puoro. I nā he tira whakatangitangi me tōna kotahi a Isaac Bradley.
Well, my family has always supported me throughout it. Since I started playing when I was 3. They've always been happy to say yes to me playing a different instrument, and I ended up learning about 5 instruments.
He aurere nāna mai te wā e nohi nohi tonu ana.
When I turned 4 for Christmas that year, I asked Santa for a violin, and Santa bought that violin for me, and since then, I just started playing a lot of music.
I think that there's a whole lot of talented young people, young Maori people out there, and I think it's really important that they get the support. I think that sports people always get support, but people in the performing arts area, we really need to push their support for them.
He te kaumā whitu noa nā tau kua uru ki tētahi tira puoro o Ahitereiria, me te takahi i te mata o te whenua, te kawe i tāna rangi ki nā wāhi o te ao.
Because of it, he's been able to tour the US, Europe, Germany, Prague, and as I said, next year he's being selected to go to South Africa.
I prefer the piano. 1, probably because I'm best at the piano, but 2, because I think you can play really different range of genres on the piano. You can play jazz, you can play classical, you can play pop, you can play blues, you can play everything.
Hinari tērā anō tāna wā whakatangi mo tōna whānau ake, he tono nā tōna karaua.
One of the things he did ask is that if Isaac could play at his funeral at the time, and so Isaac did play at the funeral, and then I took my father's ashes back to Auckland, to New Zealand, to be buried with my mother up in Pakatai, and it was on the cards that Isaac would be performing piano and violin.
That was different because, I've been over here my whole life. I haven't really been back to New Zealand, so it felt kind of foreign in the place. But I thought playing for it would be good for them.
Ko nā wawata I naene a Isaac kia uria ki tētahi tira puoro mo te whakāturanga waiata o High School Musical 2, ka huri haere I te whenua o Ahitereiria a te tau e tū mai nei. Rā paira tāwhai mai Poihākena, te karere.